Okay, hello, welcome back to our video on Chima, the Educator video channel. Here, I want to share with you the basics of earning money on Hifami App. Hifami App is just like a social media app, just like you have Facebook, where you have the global citizens are here and people are making real money. But in this video, I'm going to just give you a snippet, just you are getting started guide. There are so many things to talk about Hifami. I can't explain everything in one video. But once you join, you begin to stay in the rooms, in the whichever family you belong. You learn a lot. And how the system was, apart from your own direct family, you can always visit other families. They welcome you, teach you things you need to know. So once you are steady here, you're going to learn everything in a question of time. So one of the targets you must have is to increase your rank continuously. And there are many different ranks here. So you can start as a free member and see earn. But I'm going to tell you something. Like, look at this account. This account is still free. This is 5,910 naira. When you start as a free account like this, the first money you might be qualified to withdraw is 450 naira. So which you can easily make and you withdraw. But after that 450, the next you can withdraw is 15,000 naira. And if you continue doing free things like that, before you get that 15,000 naira, you may not be coming in here. You might be thinking you're wasting your whole time. So the easiest way to even start any real money is by becoming a trainee. Now, what does it take to be a trainee? There's a difference between what it costs man to what it costs women. If you're a female, you just need 900 gold coins. And these 900 gold coins are around 3,000 naira in Nigerian naira. Every other country, you know how you calculate your own. Then if you're a man, you need 3,000 gold coins, which costs are exactly 8,800 if you buy from the app. But if you buy from some agents, they may give you less than that. The truth is that why are they selling less than the app? When you buy from the app will not only give you the 3,000 gold coins for your upgrade to trainee level, it will also give you other benefits. But if you buy from agents, they only give you that coin. You understand? So then with that 3,000, once you are ready to go into that training level, you don't do it yourself. You will be made to undergo training. Is a trainer, and people qualify for being a trainer when they reach silver. They get a silver badge, and you ask yourself, how can I get to that silver badge? You first of all become a trainee. You grow from being a trainee, you upgrade to being a bronze medalist. Then from there, silver medalist. So once you become a silver medalist, you can now qualify to train others, and you make money from that training. Anybody that comes in that wants to be a trainee, you'll be the silver medalist and above that can train them. So that's another way to make money. But start little for now. So that's the point we are making. So, but what I'm saying that you have to be a trainee, but you can start free as you join. Now, whether you start free or not, the question you ask yourself, how do I make this? There are every day there are three major ways to earn: family earning, daily earning, and earn. There are where you have family. There's something you earn in every family where you belong. The earn tab as well as the daily tab. As you are logging in every day, immense meaning. As there are things you do every single day, you see even the system will bring it up. Do this. If you qualify for it, just like that, you keep on doing it. Be active on the system. But there are two major things I want to show you now, and that happens in the family, because you must belong to a particular family. So I'm going to click where you have family here. These 5 buttons down. The last one. This is my main family. I'm following many family, but this is the main family where I belong. Remember, I'm not the head here. I'm not the host, but just watch. So here now, in this family, I can follow this. This is called escorting the camel. You can do that 2 times in a day. So if I click to do it, it doesn't work. I know it's not ready for me to do it. Apart from that, I won't teach you everything you do in the family. There are so many. Once you join the family, you will get information about it. Now, this one you see here, this is the key. Every day, play your dice game. Your dice game, play it. Don't joke with it. You might be playing it as it fills up. So I'm going to show you how to, because it is this dice game you play that makes you to upgrade, to increase your rank. We'll call it farm ranking. Now, let me click on it. Let me click on this. Just watch. I want to make this video as short as anything. So, you have farm level. Now, while I'm saying that, before I continue, you need to even come to VIP 1 first. How do you get to VIP 1? Once you join, whether you are going to be a trainee or not, even if you have not yet joined, you must spend money. There's a bring up a pop-up. Ask you to buy 100 gold coins for 720 naira. Please do that. 720 naira, just do that. Don't say no. Do that. So once the system gives you that 300 gold coins, use, let's say for instance, you can use 150 of it and a kind of look for playmates, 30 gold coins. You can get playmates that will form your team as playmates. Now, the other 150, gift it to yourself. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to gift to yourself. It's very important. As you are giving to yourself, you are still earning. The system still reward you for gifting, even though it's yourself. You understand? You need to do that. But you now want one thing about being a trainee. If you become a trainee and give something to yourself, whatever you give to yourself turns to diamond, which is direct cash. You can withdraw every day. But remember, this one we're earning free is still cash. But you can't withdraw. After withdrawing 450, the next time you can withdraw is when it grows to 15,000, which is not that easy making. Now, I'm here. I want you to see this. I'm at level 53 currently. I'm pursuing level 54. This is my farm level. Level 54 says I will need to get 85 million of this particular thing you see here. I'm earning here. And so how do you earn it? By clicking. You earn it through this thing, this dice and this. This one makes you to earn it big. I can play this, camera. At the end of the thing, this 85 can fill up immediately and quickly upgrade. And anytime you upgrade, money is added, 15 naira just is added. That's why you see it's not easy to grow that free account. Because what you'll be adding, small thing, we'll call it red packet to be added. So I'm going to click on this for you to see. See what you see. Whatsoever you click on this, now, you see this, they want to be sure, where is that? Okay. I say it's here, I see here. So the first place that's in art, as he does that thing, you want to target, but the truth is whether you get the target or not, you still get something. But if you get the right target, you get something quite bigger. I can still do it again. I do it again because I have enough dice still following. So I can earn, I just want to do something and stop at a point. Now see what I got. Market capitalization 500 of this coin. Now I want to reduce this times. I want it to run in 5 instead of times 10. But I will reduce that 75. I want to show you something before I stop. I'm not going to do everything here because of time. Now what I want to show you, while you are doing this, you can win more dice. If you do this and there's a thing you might close up, it will show here. You click on that task, you see that you have closed up something. You claim it. Let me see if it can happen. If you have, okay, thank God it has happened. 5 dice winning. You can see what I'm saying. See that show that something is here, that I've won something. I click on it. You see it say you have triggered a random event 2 times. So I claim 10 dice. This 10 dice has increased my dice to keep playing this. You understand? It's very, very important. I can't say everything in this video, but this is the beginner video you must follow. So let me stop at this after I'm coming back to do it. So if you start now, okay, you can see this asset acquisition. I can take rob any of these my people I'm seeing here. Staris Fresh is my team leader in this thing. This person belongs to this family. This person belongs to this. I can rob any of them. Let me go and rob this my head. See what I collected from her, 250,000 of her coins. But if she use something and protect it, I will not be able to collect it. So that is it. So it's added to my upgrade. You see it. So these are effort, but you are still going to learn how to play this, which I may still prepare a short video about. But at least you've done this. If I want to follow this, let me show you this camera before. As I click on it, I click on export. I don't want to rob. If I want to rob somebody who is on a journey, to rob him of his own, but I want to export. Now I click on start. Let me see what the system will tell me. Okay, say I lack energy to do this. It's not yet ready, so I leave it. I didn't know, see my camera will be moving. Start moving. So, and why it's moving? Somebody who out there who wants to rob it can still come and cause problem. So if I'm not online, they will rob part of my coin. But if I'm online, the system will show me somebody wants to rob it. I will click on rescue to rescue back the whole thing. You understand? But I can put this in and go because it runs for 15 minutes. So I can leave it and go to be doing something else. If within that period my caravan is moving with the camera and somebody robs it, he will rob some. But if I'm online, the system shows me somebody is robbing it. I click on rescue to rescue back and the journey continues. So I'm going to stop here. So if you do this, you see yourself already increasing in the your levels. Once you click in the level, the system bring upgrade. Keep on upgrading to higher levels and you'll be seeing much more money added to your balance. I'm going to stop at this point. Please use my link to sign up. You can contact me to ask more questions and let's go on from here. So many things to learn here, I cannot explain all. I'm trying to be brief, but this video has taken longer time than necessary. Just ask your question, share this video with others, and don't forget to sign up and subscribe to our channel. Wish you the best. Thanks for watching.